A new month means a new essential oil recipe box from Simply Earth, and I love opening these boxes. Hello, I am Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker. Make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming craft tutorial videos. Now, if you're new to the monthly essential oil recipe box, let me tell you a little bit about it. It is a subscription box. It is $44.99 a month, and you can cancel at any time. Inside, you will find 4 full-size essential oils, 6 recipe cards, as well as some extra goodies that you'll need to make the recipes inside. Along with the monthly essential oil recipe box, you also get the big bonus box. Now, this is absolutely free. It's part of the subscription, and you will receive this box every 6 months. So you will get it with your first box and every 6 months after. So on the months that you receive the big bonus box, your monthly essential oil recipe box will come tucked inside. So it will be shipped like this. And then on the months when you just received the recipe box, it will come in its own box like this. Inside our big bonus box is beeswax, 100% pure, and whenever possible, everything from Simply Earth is 100% pure. Coconut oil, and this is the cold pressed, so this is the thicker oil. Then we have carrier oils, almond oil, and fractionated coconut oil. So this is going to be the liquid coconut oil. And then inside we have 6 glass amber dropper bottles, because every month we have a diffuser recipe, and 6 roll-on bottles, because each month we get a roll-on recipe. Now, if you want to get in on this subscription box from Simply Earth, then all you need to do is go to simplyearth.com and enter in the code TheCraftyFree. That code will give you a free $45 gift card with your first subscription box order. So that means you can either buy one, get one free, or you could use that gift card to purchase other supplies in the shop. And that is such a great deal, such a great coupon. I am so excited that I can offer that to you. And one other thing I want to point out to you is 13% of the profits from Simply Earth go to end human trafficking. And that isn't just with their subscription boxes, that is with all of their products site-wide. And I love that that is a cause that they stand behind. All right, are you ready to see what's inside our January box? We're gonna cut open that label and open it up. I love this part. It's so fun. Okay, so inside is a little information sheet. We'll take a look at this in a minute, so I'm going to set this aside. And we're going to start with our oils. We have Peace and Quiet. And of course, I have to smell them. It kind of has a eucalyptus, but also like a lemony scent. It's a very clean smelling scent. We have lavender. It's such a relaxing smell. Oregano. Yep, smells like oregano. And then we have Sweet Dreams. Yum. That is definitely a relaxing scent to put you to sleep. Okay, let's look at our extra goodies. We've got some emulsifying wax, a Simply Earth mold, some vegetable glycerin. For our recipe cards, we have Fresh and Floral Body Milk, Intention Diffuser Blend, Clarifying Honey Solid Lotion Bar, Luxurious Lavender Body Polish, Sweet Dreams Natural Lotion, and At Peace Roll-On. Ooh, those all sound so nice. I'm so excited to make the recipes. And then, of course, with every box, you get the matching stickers. We've got the top of the bottle stickers, so you can see what your oil is if it's in a box without having to pull it out. I love that. And then our matching stickers for the roll-on and the diffuser recipe. So let's go back to our little information sheet. It's gonna tell us that our theme is lotions and balms, body care, and this goes into more of what's in your box. My favorite thing to look at is to go over here to the back, and the value of this box is $234.66. And you get that all for only $44.99, and that is such a great value. Now, another fun thing that this little paper talks about is how you become an ambassador. So you could get together a group of friends, and they would each get their own box after signing up through you, and then you would get a little kickback from them signing up through you, and then you could all get together and make the recipes together. And I just think that is such a fun and such a great idea. Make sure you go to simplyearth.com and enter in that code, TheCraftyFree, for a free $45 gift card. And if you want more fun craft tutorials, make sure to visit my website, thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everyone. Bye and happy crafting.